Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Well, this video is a little bit different from before. Some of you might be getting a message just like that. When I go to beta apps and then click on try Photoshop beta, I have this error that the country doesn't support this purchase. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can fix this error and get any Adobe product in your account. So let's get started. I'm going to close this up, and the first step is to sign out from your account. In your Adobe app, just click on here, account, and then click on sign out. Here you need to note that the following items or functions will be disabled until you sign in again. All installed Creative Cloud apps will not work, and all active fonts will be disabled as well. So click on continue. And then what you need to do is open up the browser, and after opening your Google account, and after opening your browser, you need to search for Adobe. Here, just click on the Creative Cloud. And now from here, you need to sign in. Basically, we are going to make another account, a new one. Just continue with the Google. Or you can add your own email address here. I'll choose this account. And then right here, you need to add first name, the last name, and date of birth. Make sure you are 18 years above. So here's the main part. The country region is now Pakistan, so we have to change it to another one. For that, we will use United States. And here it is. Just click here. And then click on continue. And once you've done that, you have signed up for a new account. You need to go to the creativity and design. Just click on it. And then you need to go to the small and medium business. Here on the top, you can see there's an option for free trial. And now from here, you need to add the company name, the company size, the state and province, the zip code, and business phone number. So let's add the company name. You can name anything that you want. The company size, about 1 to 9. The state and province, you can select anything you want. Let's go with the California. Here, search for the zip code for California. Open up new pad. Here, select this code, go to this tab, and paste it right here. Now let's add the business phone number. For that, you can use Google. Here you can select anyone you want. Let's select this one, go back to this page, and write the number here. The next step is to click on continue. And there you go, your free trial is ready to go. You can invite your team members here, and you can also ask up to 10 people to join your Creative Cloud for team trial. So this means you can invite 10 people to try this free trial app. And after it is done, let's go back to the Creative Cloud app. So I have this app here, and now from here, just click on continue with Google. This will open up a new tab here. This will ask for the confirmation, so let's wait for it. And there you go. You are all set. This will open up a desktop app. And you are ready to go. This will take some time to load. I have already downloaded some of the apps, so this is showing a notification here. I'll close it up. And there you have it. So now let's go to the apps. Here, select the beta apps. And now, click on install. Once you click on the install, you see the installation is now in progress. You can click on next, or you can go to home and click on done. You can install multiple apps. Simply just click on install. You can also try the beta app of the Premium Pro version. You can try any app that you want. You can install the video editing apps like character animation. Just click on install. It's just easy as that. And there you have it. You can also update the app that are previously installed. Just click on this update available and then click on update all. This will give you a 14 days trial period and you can use all of these apps for free. Just click on continue and you're good to go. And right after your trial is expired, you can also create a new ID. Simply just click sign out. And then click on start free trial and make a new account. It's just easy as that. This works with every Creative Cloud app, for example, Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and other apps as well. I hope this tutorial helped you for installing the apps in your country without using any VPN or any complex method. So, if you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.